Hello Funimators, Ron here, and today I'll be showing you how to use Funimate's coloring presets. First, go to Keyframe, then go to Coloring, and there you go. There are all sorts of colorings ranging from coloring and quality. My absolute favorites are C2, C6, C8, C12, and all the way at quality. Q1 is what I use for my velocities, and Q3. There are other sorts of colorings that include flashes and shakes as well as rays too. There are also black and white colorings, blur colorings, and flare colorings. All of these colorings are absolutely amazing and I love them all so much. I can't wait to see them all in your edits. Bye!